Hey guys, Reece Sammons here, Head of Property Management with Sydney Listings. Today we want to speak to you about a very important subject to all of our landlords, which is landlord insurance. Now, landlord insurance is a very important thing to have. It's not necessarily feasible for all landlords, especially if they own a lot of properties. But if you're a landlord who owns a small number of properties, it is quite important for you to have landlord insurance in place. Now, the first defense against any problems that happen, whether they're caused by the tenants or not, is of course the tenant's bond. But once the tenant's bond is exhausted, that's when landlord insurance kicks in and covers you as a landlord for anything that goes wrong above and beyond the tenant's bond. Now, there are a number of things that are included with landlord insurance policies. They cover such things as loss of rent, also property damage from storms. They also cover things such as any illegal activities that have been happening in the property that unbeknownst to you as a landlord, and another range of things that I haven't mentioned here. But of course, landlord insurance is a great form of protection for our landlords, and it is relatively cost effective as well. Most landlord policies may only cost you about $350 to $380 per year. So it is an inexpensive solution to a potentially very expensive problem to happen. As of course, the best landlord insurance out there is a great property manager. They will look after your property very well. Of course, hit up Sydney Listings for that, because we're great at what we do. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.